How to turn off sleep mode on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. Tap on the focus button as shown. As you can see, your phone is now in sleep mode. Tap on the sleep button again to turn it off. Alternatively, go back and open up the Settings app. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. Over here, tap on Sleep. And then, scroll down to the Schedule section at the end and tap on Next Schedule. On this page, turn off the Schedule feature at the top. This means that sleep focus will not turn on at your scheduled wind down. Following these steps, you can easily turn off sleep mode on iPhone.